village. Na vite on a Siam. To the 1st October 2021. Na vite on a Siam. Today the 1st October 2021. Where they take place so under the souvenir of the ambassador event for the ADF, Commander Ambola, the Supreme General big number. Na vite see what on a Siam. They happen so inside. You know they be easy. Do one of a program with the world say La Republic not get a part for play for inside Ambazonia. Today the 1st October 2021. Na very Siam. But now God he want get power. Na finish Siam. The war moon na see what they happen inside our country. Now God he want get power. Today the 1st October 2021. You want to take place so the commander under General big number. Commander Ambola, na vite na I wanna Siam, it not be easy, but now God you want get power. Today the 1st October 2021. When I tell na I wanna see what it happen Ambazonia. When I Siam, the war me the war Siam, not La Republic no get a place for inside Ambazonia. Na vite Siam, na vite our mammy they wanna see what it happen inside our country Ambazonia. The war moon na Siam, moon na year our crown wanna see what it happen. Today the 1st October 2021 of the commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme General big number. It not be easy, but now God you want get power. Now if Siam, it not be easy, but now God you want get power. Now tell na I wanna Siam, now God you want get power of I wanna Siam. Wow, Ambazonia. Wanna tell na I wanna Siam. It not be easy, but now God, now Siam, it not be easy Ambazonia. It not really be easy. Muna fight for una freedom. Una fight. Una show the world. See what mommy. Na see what mommy. Today the 1st October 2020. Una Siam. Na see what mommy. They una see what is happening for inside. Supreme Commander General big number. It not really be easy, but na God. Una tell na I wanna see what is happening. Na tell na I wanna Siam. It not really be easy. Na road be easy. It not really be easy. But na God, this Siam, no really be easy. But na God, today the 1st October 2021, no really be easy for inside our country, Ambazonia. No really be easy. But na God, he want get power. The commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme General big number, aka General Efang. It no really be easy. Play of the Kupele village under General Pastor of Kupele, the Supreme General Commander Ambola. Very be easy, but God you want get power. Vito na una Siam the 1st October. Vito na una Siam, it no be easy. It no be easy. Na Siam na the commander of Talidat, Commander Ambola na Edis, na the commander of Tali. Na Siam na the commander that Commander Ambola of Tali village. Na Siam na the commander that Commander Ambola. Na Siam na the Supreme General that General big number of Tali village. No be easy, but na God you want get power. Na Siam. No be easy, but now God you want get power. No be easy, but now God you want to show the world. Me the world no say no get place for me. The world no say La Republic no get place for inside our country, Ambazonia. No be easy, but now God.
When they come down, I will take them.
Okay. Riboy, mano. Okay. Yes. Yes.
This the 1st October 2021 of Kupele village. Na very say on I wanna see population inside Kupele village. Avisiam the Chief Judge of Kepele Barak. Not be easy when I go today, the 1st October 2021, for inside Kepele Village. Navito na Aruna Siam for inside Kepele Village. Not be easy. Now the Chief Judge for inside. Now the Chief Judge for inside Kepele Village. Avisiam, you are the Chief Judge for inside Kepele Village. Under Command Ambola of the Ambassador Defense Force, the AGF. Not be easy when I go, you want get power. Navito na Aruna Siam, not be easy. 1st October 2021, take place. Let the canopy the commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme General, big member of the Ambassador Defense Force. Navito na Aruna Siam, it not be easy. 1st October 2021, Navito na Aruna Siam, it not be easy. But I go and get power of Tali. Where Commander Ambola plays the part. No approve of the war. Now you today talk say until they reach Boya, they don't left their journey halfway. Me the war no say the so. Now we no get the play inside our country and Bazonia. Not be easy, but I got. Not be easy, but I got. You want get power. Not be easy, but I got. Today, the 1st October 2021. This one will take place under the canopy of Commander Ambola, the Supreme General, big number under the canopy of everything on Siam, where they take place under the canopy of Commander Ambola, the Supreme General, big number of the Ambassador Defense Force of the war say Ambazonia be a country on its own. La Republic not get a place for inside Ambazonia. Until na Aruna Siam, not be easy. La Republic not get place for inside Ambazonia. The one who say like we not get a place inside our country, Ambazonia. Where they take the commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme Commander, big number under Ambazonia Defense Force. Now God, you want get power. And I think in the eye, in the Siam, very be today the 1st October 2021. Rate in the eye, in the Siam, very be easy. Me the work to the Aisha. Not be the work to the Aisha. Inside not be easy. And God, you want get power. You want to take inside the village. The commander of Tali, Commander Ambola, the Supreme Commander, big number with the Ambassador Defense Force, the AGF, and everything on ICM. It not be easy, but God, you want to get power inside. Ambazonia, one of the war, say, like we don't get Ambazonia inside our country. It not be easy, but God, you want to get power. This is the 1st October.
Yes, this is the 1st of October 2021 that the people of British Southern Cameroon today, self-declared independence people, Ambazonia, are fighting because the right of self-determination was refused by the United Nations, a mandated territory in 1919 and a trustship territory under United Nations in 1945 with the outcome of the United Nations. But under colonial maneuver, the United Nations make a decision out of the Trustship Council for them to be an integrated people under the Federal Republic of Nigeria or the Royal Republic of Cameroon, people who got their independence since 1960. And today, this is a struggle that there is a lot of bloodshed. People are dying. The world powers have stood afloat. The world powers are there looking at it, knowing that the colonial maneuver was a wrong decision. Even at that end, Chief Stephen Yancy of the Cameroon Commoners Convention asked for a tape auction for the people of British Southern Cameroon, which was refused upon the people. And today, the United Nations have been arroged. The world powers have been arroged. They are seeing people dying, people fighting for their right of self-determination. So we call upon the world, we call upon the United States to protect this independent instauration of the Ambazonian people. Thank you.
Oh, na please indeed.
The 1st October 2021 at the commander of Tali, Commander Mbola, the commander of Tali village, Commander Mbola, the General Big Noba, the Ambazo Defense Force, the 1st October 2021. Lore be easy when I got you get power. Vito na I wanna see him. Lore be easy when I go na the commander of Tali village, Commander Mbola. Lore be easy when I got. Lore be easy. Lore be easy when I got. Lore be easy. Every time, one of the traditional dances to the 1st October 2021 of Tali village. Na Vito na wanna see him. One of the people who went at Tali village. Vito na wanna see him. 1st October 2021. Went at Tali village. And the culture dance over inside. Na we see him. This one the people they call this one. They call this down. They call them. They call it down to Nyampu. The 1st October 2021. Commander Mbola, the Supreme General Big Number. The 1st October 2021.